Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you want to see my hairstyle for the day?
Yeah.
I do this, and there we go. Oh wait, Shrek! Woo!
Nice. It is overcast and there's some sunshine going. And we're going to go and get breakfast and then we're going to the beach.
I thought you were doing that.
We're going to the bank.
Beach.
What type of bank? Oh my gosh, it's not freaking focusing. Okay, there we go.
She's blurby.
I'm Barbie.
It's picking up. There we go. You said we're going. What are we doing today?
We're going to the beach.
Da-ba-da-ba-da.
Ba-do-ba-do.
Woo, woo. I had like my whole entire feet in, and it's pretty cold. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cold. I got my boogie board, and we're out. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cold. Oh, okay. It's not as cold as I thought. Maybe it was because, I don't know. Woo-hoo-hoo! The further it gets out, the colder you get. Oh. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's cool. I keep on getting into dips. Look at that! We'll take turns with the boogie board. Oh, here's a nice one. Alright, better stay on. No, not this one. Better stay on. Actually, it's not that bad. It feels good. Yeah. Shante and Ashton are out on the beach. Oh, there was a seaweed. Woo! There is a seaweed. Dude, it's scary on here. You never know when you're going to face plant. Maybe if I put my snorkel on. Oh crap. What was that? I actually face planted. Oh, I was not ready for that extent of a wave. It's fine. That's fine. Ew. Oh crap, Caleb. Oh crap, Caleb. Yeah, there goes all the ways now. Please fuck me from underneath. You splashed me. Good. kick us out whenever they're ready.
You tell them we'd be in here forever if we could?
Yeah, I did. I told them that even our family has to kick us out, telling us that it's time to go. Oh crap! Oh no! Oh crap! I have this idea that me, Kayla, in a different life, I think we were some kind of fish.
We were mermaids.
Mermaids.
Dolphins.
Some kind of fish. Marine mammal. How's that? How's that?
Good. We're underwater.
I'm on vacation. Oh. Yes. Woo! It got in my mouth. So gross. Look how smooth it is now. There's not a big wave in sight. Oh, there we go. You need to eat yourself.
Yes, head to the wave.
I got some salt water in the eye. Surprise! Surprise! What did they do? Apparently there's a bunch of birds right there. Well, I got my fruit snacks out. I had a couple of fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks! Doggy. Holy freak! Dude, that was huge!
I jumped on it. Don't worry, I jumped on it.
Good job, killer. Beat that bully up for me.
We hurt. It slapped me in the chest.
Good. You're right there?
Yeah, I jumped.
Yes.
It was fun.
Yeah, so much fun. Come on, friends. Oh, we're going this way.
Oh.
Holy crap! Surprise! We're not looking at what we're
They
doing.
sneak up on you.
They do. You better watch out. I guess you guys are seeing before we are. Because you're facing that way and we're facing that way.
That way.
That way. Can you guys see anything out down there? That's so good. And then we're going to go back and get some dinner, and then we're going to go swimming and in the hot tub and all that fun stuff. And then we're going to do something fun tomorrow. Oh no! Oh, ready? Yeah. Kayla's a water animal.
Yeah, I'm getting wet on purpose.
I hope so because you're gonna
ready?
wet. It was like you're like, oh crap.
You go so high. I'm gonna jump. Ready? Set. And then you go, woo!
Alright, let's try that, shall we? That was fun.
Had so much fun.
It's great.
So much fun. Tired. Everybody's tired.
Wow, look at that thing. It looks like a giant plane. You know, the palm trees.
Oh, trees! Look at those.
It was big.
Yes.
The Honda Center.
I want to ride that one. That was
So-
so fun.
Yeah, we're gonna.
I might
Go back.
just for the heck of it take some ibuprofen in the morning. Because when we went
Oh,
on
I
that
always do,
roller
too.
coaster, that like gave me a
Yeah,
headache.
we're going on
so
the roller coasters.
everybody take ibuprofen tomorrow morning,
Oh yeah.
and we need to stay hydrated.
Yes, we do.
We definitely need to do
Yes. Anyway,
that to last.
we're going to roller coasters.
Not very far.
Yeah, Knott's Berry Farm tomorrow. Yeah,
That was a good day.
it was a good day.